Hi, so welcome to this tutorial. I am going to build a native e-commerce app for iOS using Stripe, Firebase, Swift, and SENDGRID, and will be completely free. This so you can sell your physical products to all the world, or in your location, in your country, in your city, in your state, or in your region. It will be fully customizable. So let's see why e-commerce on iOS. Mobile apps are highly personalized and eventually will provide better engagement with customers, so you can provide a singular experience to your customer by algorithms and by using the phone, all the power of the device. Statistics: almost 34% of customers will leave for another brand, and you can make this brand awareness to your app, and you can give a personalized experience. This means that you will have power with your brand. So I think really all these possibilities are now available on apps and less available on web. Web is saturated. Amazon is and a lot of big brands have the web, and I think apps is a great way to begin your business. Also, customers spend 27% or more time on mobile apps. This time is growing. Apps are getting better. So apps is a highly growing market. Okay, what technologies we're going to use in this e-commerce iOS app? Okay, the first thing is that it's going to be free and open source. Everyone could download this application and build its own e-commerce store. Also, the main core functionalities is that you will sign in with email and password, sign in with Apple, Firebase integration for all types, Firebase Firestore, search function, tab bar navigation for iOS, shopping cart, payment integration with Stripe, send transactional emails with SENDGRID, push notifications for increased engagement. All this native with Swift. So the first thing we're going to work is in this AUTH with Firebase. That we're going to build in this video. This right design. We're going to sign up with and sign in with Apple, Google, and email, custom email. So I think this is the most powerful and secure ways to make a sign in. Cloud Firestore is a flexible, scalable database for mobile web and server development from Firebase and Google Cloud Platform. So also, if we use Firebase Firestore, we can scale big. We can scale for web. We can integrate a backend on Node.js and Java, maybe an application on Python, on a Raspberry. We can go to Go, Google Go, C++ again in Unreal, web, and iOS and Android. And also SENDGRID for transactional emails. It's very important to track and communicate all purchases phases. And also, for example, send an email when the user sign up, and track all phases of purchase. Also, you can send a mail for notifying of a new product. We're gonna integrate this functionality. Send a mail for like a newsletter is one of marketing emails, but also transactional emails. For example, when the purchase is done, or for example that the package is was delivered to the messaging service, this UPS or the brand that will deliver the product to the final customer. Okay, Stripe for charging. We're going to charge in USD dollars, or you can set it to a specific currency. For example, in Mexico, you can only charge in debit cards in Mexico and credit cards in Mexican pesos. But I think the most accessible way to charge is like charging in USD dollars to attack the global economy. But if you are in Japan and you are in Germany, you can personalize your backend and your frontend. Also, we're going to use Stripe because we never store credit or debit cards on our servers or in your servers. We're going to let Stripe make the charge and then in approximate 7 days get the money on your bank account. So Stripe is trusted by Google, Spotify, Slack, Kickstarter, Shopify, Twitch, Facebook, etc. Is like the main thing. So let's see our first part of this tutorial, that is going to be building the basic UI for sign-in. This will consist of a lot of videos, so you can check all in the description the links for the GitHub, so you can download the code and you can modify the way you want to make your store singular. Thank you. Okay, so this is going to be the UI for the login. The idea, I'm gonna leave the link of the GitHub so you can download this code in the description. It will have a Apple sign-in. You can switch to create account, sign in. This is the sign-in part, and you can customize, put your own brand here, and also we're going to go to reset password. So Apple sign in, Google sign in, and custom email and password.